Hey guys, what's up? So today we are back at the same location as I was in yesterday's vlog for the shoot. So yesterday when I was here, I discovered a off-road trail that goes around here, and here in Northern Virginia we don't really get a lot of those. So I thought I'd get my friend with a Jeep and we go off-road, go do a little off-roading trail, and we go do a little off-roading and see how it is. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let's get into the Jeep. Yep, it's recording. Hello. So now we just got on top of the hill. It's a pretty nice view over here of the whole area surrounding us. It's pretty windy, so I don't know how the sound is going to turn out in the GoPro. Let's see any other ideas that we have. Let's try them out. Won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold.
Okay, yeah, look, yeah, down low, up top, on my way to the bag at the bus stop, some blow, some flop, I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop, don't stop, keep going, I got this mantra in my head and make me keep flowing, pour shots, keep pouring, it's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it. I see a flip, I make a flip. I'm a hustler, I just hit a lick. This that double shift, this that overtime. I'm on my job, player, you know I was born to grind. This for my people standing up.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Standing up to get the cash, sir. My minimum wage. age.
A lot of ground clearance stuff. Look at that. That is nice. So that was it, guys. That was fun. I'm so glad that we have this small little trail right here. I'm probably gonna bring my RC car here next time, put a GoPro on there, check that out. But it was pretty good. It's not that big. It might seem like a big area in the video that I've just showed you, but it's not that big of a place. It's really small. It's really tiny, and when you're in a car, you just go through it real quick. But that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the